Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Voices, where learning English is simple, fun, and full of real-life conversations. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again. How are you today?
I'm doing really well, Jamie. Thanks for asking. I feel great today. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. You seem happy.
Yes, I had a wonderful weekend. It was full of fun and relaxation.
That's awesome. I had a nice weekend too. Talking about the weekend is such a common topic in daily life.
Absolutely. On Mondays, people always ask, "How was your weekend?" It's a great way to start a conversation.
Exactly. So that's what we're going to talk about today. How to talk about your weekend in English.
Perfect idea. It's simple, natural, and really useful.
Yes, but before we begin, just a quick reminder, if you enjoy learning English with us, please hit the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Voices and share this episode with your friends and family. It helps our community grow. Talking about the weekend. All right, Jamie, let's start. How was your weekend?
My weekend was calm and relaxing. After a busy week, I wanted some quiet time.
That sounds nice. What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I slept in. Honestly, sleeping late is one of my favorite weekend activities.
I agree. It's the best part of Saturday.
After that, I made a big breakfast, eggs, toast, and of course, coffee.
Sounds delicious. A big breakfast always sets the tone for a good day.
Exactly. In the afternoon, I went to the park. It was sunny and warm, so I read a book on a bench.
That sounds peaceful. What kind of book were you reading?
It was a simple book about animals. Very relaxing to read outdoors.
I love that. Nature and reading go perfectly together. What about your evening?
In the evening, I stayed home. I listened to music and cooked dinner, just something easy, pasta.
Pasta. That's one of my favorites too. So your Saturday was slow and calm. Food, reading, and music. Perfect.
Exactly. How about you, Alex? How was your Saturday?
Mine was a bit busier, but fun.
Ooh, tell me more.
In the morning, I cleaned my apartment. Not the most exciting thing, but I played music, so it wasn't bad.
Good idea. Music always helps.
After that, I went shopping with my friend Sarah.
Nice. Did you go to the mall?
Yes, the big one downtown. We looked at clothes and shoes.
Did you buy anything?
I did. A new blue shirt. I love it.
Blue suits you, I'm sure. What did you do after shopping?
We stopped at a cafe for a tea and cake. Sarah had coffee and we shared a slice of chocolate cake.
Yum. Now I'm getting hungry.
It was amazing. We talked and laughed a lot. A really nice afternoon.
Sounds perfect. Friends, shopping, and dessert.
Exactly. Then in the evening, I watched a funny movie at home.
A comedy?
Yes, I laughed the whole time. The best way to end a busy day.
Totally agree. So, your Saturday was busy and mine was quiet, but both great in different ways.
Sunday activities. So, Jamie, what about Sunday?
Sunday was also peaceful. I like slow Sundays. I went for a walk around my neighborhood in the morning.
That's a great way to start the day.
The weather was cool and fresh. After my walk, I went home and read my book again.
You really enjoyed that book, huh?
Yes, it's a good one. In the afternoon, I visited my parents.
Ah, that's nice. How are they doing?
They're great. We had lunch together. My mom made chicken and rice, my favorite meal.
That sounds delicious. I love family lunches.
Me too. After lunch, I helped my dad in the garden for a bit. They have beautiful flowers, red and yellow everywhere.
That sounds lovely. A peaceful Sunday indeed.
Yes, I relaxed at home in the evening and watched some TV before bed.
A calm way to end the weekend. Apple's Alex's Sunday. My Sunday was a mix of busy and relaxing.
Oh, interesting. Tell me more.
In the morning, I went to church. It was calm and peaceful. A good start to the day.
That sounds nice.
After that, I visited the farmer's market. I bought some apples, bananas, and tomatoes. Everything looked so fresh.
Yum! I love fresh fruits and vegetables.
Me too. In the afternoon, I cooked a big salad, fruit salad, and soup.
Wow, you were busy.
Yeah, I like preparing meals for the week ahead. It saves time later.
Smart idea. What did you do to relax afterward?
I listened to a podcast, an English podcast, of course.
Nice. Great way to practice. Then I called my sister. She lives in another city, so we catch up every Sunday.
That's really sweet. Family time is so important.
Yes, it was lovely. After that, I read for a bit and went to sleep early.
So, we both read this weekend? That's a nice habit.
Yes, reading and relaxing. Always a good combo.
Practicing English, how was your weekend? So, Alex, our weekends were different. Mine quiet, yours busier, but both nice.
Exactly. And talking about the weekend is such good English practice.
Yes. You can say things like, I went to the park, I watched a movie, I cooked dinner.
And also talk about your feelings like, I was tired. I was happy. I was relaxed.
Perfect. These simple sentences make great small talk.
Right. And they're easy to use at work, school, or with friends.
Closing. Well, Alex, that was a fun chat. I really enjoyed hearing about your weekend.
Same here, Jamie. And now we want to hear from our listeners.
Yes, tell us about your weekend in the comments. What did you do?
Did you go out, cook something special, or maybe just relax at home?
We'd love to read your answers. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Voices.
Exactly. Every like and share helps us bring you more free English lessons.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
Have a great week, everyone, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.